robots in manufacturing industry is collaboration with human workers. Collaborative robots, also known as cobots, are designed to work alongside human workers to perform tasks that require human dexterity or decision-making. This can help to improve efficiency and productivity, while also improving working conditions for human workers. Training and education. Robots can also be used for training and education in manufacturing and industry. By simulating real-world production environments, robots can provide workers with hands-on training and practice, helping them to develop the skills and knowledge necessary for their jobs. Additionally, robots can be used to teach workers about new technologies and applications, helping to ensure that they stay up to date with the latest developments in their field. Challenges and future directions. Despite the many benefits of robots in manufacturing and industry, there are also several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the need to ensure that robots are safe and reliable, and do not pose a risk to human workers. Additionally, there is a need for ongoing development of new technologies and applications for robots in manufacturing and industry. Looking ahead, there is significant potential for robots to continue to play a transformative role in manufacturing and industry. Advances in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics are enabling the development of more sophisticated and capable robots, which can perform increasingly complex tasks. Additionally, there is increasing interest in the use of autonomous robots, which can work independently to perform tasks such as inspection, cleaning, and maintenance. Conclusion. In conclusion, robots are transforming the manufacturing and industrial sectors, providing a range of benefits including increased efficiency, productivity, safety, and quality control. With ongoing developments in technology and applications, the future of robots in manufacturing and industry looks bright. As businesses continue to adopt robots and integrate them into their operations, they will be better equipped to meet the challenges of a rapidly changing market and stay competitive in the years ahead. Improving quality control. In addition to improving safety, robots can also be used to improve quality control in manufacturing and industry. By performing inspections and tests on products, robots can ensure that they meet the required specifications and standards. This can help to reduce the risk of defects and recalls, and ensure that customer satisfaction is maintained. Increasing production capacity. Another benefit of robots in manufacturing and industry is their ability to increase production capacity. By automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, robots can work around the clock without breaks or fatigue, producing a greater volume of products in less time. This can help businesses to meet increasing demand and improve overall efficiency. Reducing labor costs. Robots can also help to reduce labor costs in manufacturing and industry. By automating tasks that would otherwise require human workers, businesses can save on labor costs and allocate resources more effectively. Additionally, robots can perform tasks that may be too dangerous or difficult for human workers, reducing the risk of injury or illness. Improving working conditions. By performing dangerous or repetitive tasks, robots can also improve working conditions for human workers in manufacturing and industry. This can help to reduce the risk of injury or illness, and improve overall job satisfaction and retention rates. Additionally, robots can be equipped with ergonomic features to reduce the physical strain on human workers, further improving working conditions. Challenges and future directions. Despite the many benefits of robots in manufacturing and industry, there are also several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the need to ensure that robots are safe and reliable, and do not pose a risk to human workers.